Horizon Palm Realty presents 4472 Calican Drive in Brooksville, Florida. This stunning pool home is in the popular gated Hernando Oaks Golf Community. As you approach this lovely home, you are greeted with lush landscaping and a courtyard walkway leading to your glass pane double doors. This meticulously maintained home has a flowing floor plan with abundant light and great entertaining space. Formal dining room with mirrored glass shelf built-ins. The great room has built-ins with accent lighting surrounding your fireplace. Decorated with warm colors and a Florida flair featuring beautiful tray ceilings, plantation shutters in a guest bedroom, and fully carpeted for that elegant look. The light and bright kitchen has plenty of counter space and a breakfast nook area for those family breakfasts. Master suite opens to sparkling pool. Relax and enjoy the Florida weather in your screen lanai. Home sweet home. For more information, call us at 352-398-0666.